I got the four of you, sir. I've seen you coming over. I'm a street photographer, taking photographs of people in the street for about 30 odd years. Can I get a photograph of you together?
Where do they go?
There you go, guys. I want to show you over here. You can clearly see the mural. You can see the difference in it. So what a difference a couple of months. So that's the difference between these paintings. When they were put up, they knew that they were going to be renovating. But I think it's a travesty, isn't it, when you think that you've got beautiful pieces of art destroyed. It's probably a reflection that nothing's permanent, and I think that's the thing about these artists. They knew that there was going to be some sad all the same, isn't it? But there you go. Okay guys, so this has arrived, St George's Market here in Belfast. A lot of activity on the Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So we're going to take you in, hopefully get some street photography. Here we go. Come on. She's a great photographer here, Tandem. So I was speaking to the lady a while back there. That's a girl over there, she's a photographer. I'll just show you some of these here. These are all interiors from all around different parts of Ireland. I think these are down around Waterford, Wexford direction. It's absolutely fantastic. So it's Tandem Photography NI. Just do a wee Google search. I'll drop the website onto the page, but fantastic photographer. So come on, I'll take you around here, see what's happening. Okay guys, so in the distance there's two older ladies there with wee shopping trolleys. Now I know down here there's like a statue of a swan or a goose maybe and a wee child, and it might be a photograph if they're all going past. I'm not too sure, but if they're coming this way they may not. Let's see. Okay. We got two younger ladies beside them. Not too sure what way this is going to work, but there's a possible photograph. Let me see. No, they're not. They're probably going to go in through that door there. So I'm thinking that maybe either a shot straight on as they're crossing here. So we'll take a shot here. But because I want an establishing shot of St George's, I might position myself there. Throw it open to the 18mm, which is about a 20. What would be about 28mm? Get a shot here. What have we got? You've got St George's Market there. You've got St George's Market there. It might work. Let me just see. That was a wee goose there. I would like, maybe I've got a shot off it. Guy there's going to ruin the photograph. Well, he's going to ruin it, but. So basically if I'm there. I hate to say it. I think they've went to. No, they're still there. Standing there talking. Might be a nice wee shot. Let's see. I've got 4 of them there, so I'm going to take a distance shot. Let's see, they're moving on, are they? No. Pulling into the 140 lens there. Let me see. Got your man smoking. Might be the shot on itself. Incorporate the other guys in. I got the 4 of you, sir. I've seen you coming over. I'm a street photographer taking photographs of people in the street for about 30 odd years. Can I get a photograph of the guy? Rambles with my camera. Got a wee YouTube channel and a Facebook page and things like that. So I've been documenting the street for 30 odd years. You all market girls, right?
Oh, I market board and road.
So was my dad.
Shut up a minute. How would you call your dad?
Only Alan.
Only Alan?
Peggy
Norwood. Peggy Norwood?
Was my aunt.
I looked after Peggy Norwood. So did I.
Okay guys, so it was lovely meeting the 3 ladies there. They were telling me that they knew my aunt, that was my dad's sister, and they also nursed her when she was ill. So just lovely, just done a wee bit of reminiscing, and I asked them, as I say, was it okay to take their photograph, and there was no problem at all. So they let me take their photograph. So that's the whole point about it. You don't have to hide, you don't have to sleek about. Take photographs, know why you're there. You've got nothing to hide. Get yourself a wee business card. Just let people know why you're taking the photographs, and you'll be surprised what you'll get. Now I met this guy here, was up later on in the day, and I met him up in Botanic Avenue. He was down there and I asked him, was it okay to take his photograph? He said, not a problem. Just loved his style. So there you go guys, I'm going to wrap this up. I'm sorry for the late video, it's 10 to 9. A lot of editing to do in this video, so I'm going to hit render here and get it up. Listen, thanks very much for all your love and all your support, all your comments on the videos. Have a fantastic weekend, and what day is this? Day 5 of my 7-day vlog, 2 days ago. I will catch you guys later, and have a fantastic weekend.